Greetings of the day. I'm Dr. K. Raghu Mohan Reddy, Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. The course is Computer Aided Engineering. In this presentation, I am presenting types and functions of CNC, lecture number 34. Okay. Course learning outcomes. By the end of this presentation, you can understand, explain types and functions of computer numerical control. Okay, we can understand types and functions of computer numerical control. You can able to explain all these. Okay. Types and functions of computer numerical control, CNC. CNC is a manufacturing system in which machine tools are controlled automatically using computer programs. Okay, so before we discuss the various types, let us see what is CNC. Okay, just we refresh. Okay, CNC is a manufacturing system in which machine tools are controlled automatically using computer programs. Right, the CNC system controls tool movement, speed, feed rate, machining sequence, auxiliary functions. Okay, so CNC system controls tool movement. See here in the machine tool, various tools should be moved. Okay, spindle should be rotating clockwise, anti-clockwise. The table has to move in the X direction, plus X direction, minus X direction, plus Y direction, minus Y direction, like this. Okay. And about speed, the spindle has to rotate with 100 RPM clockwise, 100 RPM anti-clockwise. Okay. About feed rate, the table has to move, let us say, 5 centimeters per minute. Okay. 6 centimeters per minute. That is about the feed rate. Okay. And machining sequence. Okay. Let us say grooving on a milling machine. Okay. Grooving with milling machine. Let us say CNC milling machine. First, it has to perform the grooving operation. Okay. Later, it has to make some holes. Okay. The same milling machine. So here, it has to take the another tool, drill bit. Okay, in the machining sequence, let us say first we are making grooves, next holes. We cannot perform these grooves and holes with the single tool. So based on the machining sequence, we have to arrange the tools in the tool drum. Okay, we have to write the program accordingly. Okay, first for groove it has to take T1, or holes it has to take T2. Okay, so we have to assign T1 and T2 accordingly. Okay, next auxiliary functions will give auxiliary performances, that is works. Okay, suppose here a small auxiliary holes here we have to perform. Suppose if you take a cylindrical face, over those cylindrical faces we have to make holes. That is called auxiliary functions. Okay, suppose if we want to make this kind of arrangements, that is called auxiliary function. Okay, that it should be performed in the CNC machines. Okay, right. See here, just catch all these things here. Machine tool, driving system associated to this machine tool, feedback device is attached to this machine tool, so that feedback will be sent to the machine control unit, where data processing unit and control unit would be there. Okay, here first part programming through input devices will be taken by this MCU. This MCU will send the motion data to the drive system. Again, that it will send the miscellaneous functions to the machine tool directly. Okay, right. Here display unit is meant for to display the program and to display the what work is going there. Okay, here feedback, position feedback and velocity feedback. Okay, about speeds, depth of cuts and all these things. And position feedback will give the exact position of the desired location or position of the tool on the workpiece. Okay, right. This is about the whole CNC system controls. CNC technology is widely used in modern manufacturing industries because of its accuracy, productivity, flexibility, and automation capability. Okay, CNC technology is widely used in modern manufacturing industries because of its accuracy, productivity, flexibility, automation capability. Okay, right. Types of CNC systems. CNC systems can be classified in several ways. CNC systems can be classified in several ways. Classification based on control loop. Classification based on control loop. Open loop CNC system. See here, you can see input program, microcomputer, CNC controller, again drive motor, gearbox, finally machine tool, slide displacement. Okay, so it will follow this path in open loop control system. Okay, so in open loop system, no feedback device is used. Okay, in open loop, no feedback. Okay, the controller sends commands to the machine. The controller sends commands to the machine. Okay, see here, CNC controller sends the commands to the machine tool. Okay, through drive motor and gearbox system. Okay, actual position is not checked. Okay, in the open loop system, actual position is not checked. Okay, working controller, motor, machine movement. Okay, this is the flow of work. Okay, controller, motor, machine movement. Motor nothing but drive system. Characteristics: simple construction, low cost, less accurate. Okay, applications: simple drilling machines, point-to-point systems. Okay, closed loop CNC system. In a closed loop system, feedback devices are used. Okay, actual position is continuously monitored. Okay, actual position is continuously monitored in closed loop, whereas in open loop, it is not there. Errors are corrected automatically. Errors are corrected automatically. Since it is having feedback system, so errors will be corrected. Okay, see here, controlled motor power. Okay, feedback system to the controller. That kind of setup is inbuilt in the closed loop system. Here, closed loop system, input of programs to the microcomputer. Okay, CNC controller will receive those things and it will send to drive motor to the gearbox. Okay, this gearbox setup will sends the machine tool slides displacement to the machine tool. So where it will be measured through the feedback system. Once if the measuring system is performing the deviations, that it will send to the, again, the microcontroller programming. Okay, right, working flow, motor, controller to motor, machine, again to the feedback, again to the controller. Okay, the controller controls the deviations and it will set the zero deviation at there. Characteristics: high accuracy, better control, automatic error correction. Okay, since we have the feedback system, automatic error correction is possible here. Okay, applications: CNC machining centers, aerospace machining, precision manufacturing. Okay, right. Classification based on motion control, point-to-point CNC system. Okay, the tool moves from one point to another. Machining occurs only at specific points. So for drilling, let us take the example of drilling. Okay, here I wanted to make one hole. Again, from this point to move to this point to make another hole. Okay, see examples: drilling, punching, spot welding. Okay, features: simple programming, faster positioning. Okay, here the tool need not travel in a linear or curved path. Okay, here it has to make a hole in one point. Again, it has to move up and it has to make another hole somewhere on the workpiece. That means in another point. That is called point to point. Concluding. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.